Everything is in the Bible. Whether good is there and bad is there. If you read Bible all the time, you will achieve something and know that what you are doing is good and what you are doing is bad. When you examine that bad is not good in your future, you leave it and follow the good. From there you will achieve something. See, lack, and the patience, lack of patience. They have no patience. They want everything to be quick. No. You want everything to be quick to you. God will take it to another person and leave you to steady. When you steady, it will come back to you. If you like, you know that you will judge from the beginners as you are now. You are the beginner. You are climbing up. And as you are sincere now, and as you are honest now, and humble, you humble yourself, God will lift you up. Surely. God will surely lift you up. You come to stay with me, you put my life to me. And you my life to me, you come to stay and play with me and laugh with me. God will lift you up. Your father's there. Somebody who is caring for you. Sure. Be honest to him. Be honest to him. When you get stationed, whatever you have, even 1 2 hours of yam, even 500 naira into him. Say, Baba, buy something and eat. So, when you are home, God will push somebody to help you. As I am still now, I have nothing to do apart from my pamphlet. Sometimes, you got it just selling and eat. The people are giving me, my grandchildren, my children, other people are giving me. If I enter this, any kind of drink you want is here in my house. People are giving me. What will it you
Yes, sir. No, I'm just dumbfounded. No one tell me to over. No, sir, I'm so pleased to be here. I mean, I don't know why God sent me here, but I think I'm beginning to understand the handwriting. Yeah, I walk in places, I've seen a lot, and those places I go to, I feel that God's hands are always there. I don't love to go for places. I don't have time for that.
No.
I say, Papa, please, that is not my business.
You reject. Gradually, God will push you to a better place, which you did not expect. When I was to say to Okun, I was thinking marriage, Okun is very far. Where is this Okun? She is in Shinidi. One mission from Korebak and Beraka. The section of the water, section 1. They collect out houses. Should I be present to this country? I see very much building. And that building I got this level, no cover frame. It's now thousands. And I know in 2017, 2019, 11 houses. Very big, very mighty building. When you have group meeting, something like combine or communion or something like that, you see how people feel they come down. There was money which I wanted. I didn't see. I got to see money without begging, without lobbying. I think you get me.
Yeah.
No appeal. Today appeal. You say now appeal, I can tackle you will know that boss. Whether they get or they didn't get. When you are called with the why should you tell like this but you have no money to give appeal? But you accuse that person. I told you I go good. I'm not know. You do have that's what you have. Now I see I got down. You are angel long terry. You got down what I see media. Kakai God. It will surely send food to you. Will surely send money to you. Take it to a body. Yes, station of the car, this motor. What are you doing? My young man. This you want to know. Go watch the man 2010, 2011. It is you. The market now, market up. Beli di kakatu, beli pop, kamai. Makanya di dia awal di fix. Ano, ang para dama, buat market up. So what happened to you? Ya change motor, mana change. You think habit, you think performance.
Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. I really kept me company. But I'm not saying that we didn't intend it. I'm very grateful. I asked God to bless you. I remember these days. Not there is something. So it's important to come from here. They're both like that. Someone did it. Someone did it. They share it.
To share the grace of God in my house is not a simple thing. It's something very important.
Itu ini mau mikirnya anak bagaimana?
Long the time was so I'm so grateful. Mostly I am at home. As in Shanghai, because I collaborate. But today I am at home.
I was alone and there was all.
Yes.
Yeah. Kita berumur namanya guru namanya semua semua tak kena salah ini amas tak kena salah umur tak kena salah dan was greater than everyone aku bari mah baru kami aku for many years saya sangat berumur jadi kayu itu masih kita dekat. Kenya basi nakala sana Kenya wasuna basi na nifanye na yeye ndomi basi na tuloni na mtoto university Lagos kwa mimi kama na kazi kitu sama tanga si itu parti yang berisi itu kan university mana aku sekarang university ada parti yang soal itu university soal itu boy mereka sih itu staff mereka sih kamu itu very happy therefore very many person money untuk namanya seseorang kakak semua very near future ya jadi lagi
there's no phone where we can leave them friend. Because we will have to be there for that there. We can put it for that car. We can put it this like we can for the lady. We don't come in there by each other. And we had it very good. Very marvelous. Station is going to go for a car. Probably going to be a car. Because the government will get the whole pension.
Mai chú cái điêu phòng. Ờ.
So someone, you don't really sound like you continue to. So someone takes some bread for. Yeah, but so young. The someone takes some. No. Một bong session on cái cả cái gì, một bong cái thousand. Can't different, yes. Someone takes it. But thank you for the drink. So.